In part 3 of our series, Textbook Tips, we will be discussing how to read your textbook and take notes. The strategies outlined in this video will help you if you struggle to understand important course content and will help you remember that information during tests and while completing assignments for your course. The tips covered here are especially useful in helping students retain and concentrate on information when the majority of course material is in an online format. As we mentioned in part 2 of this series, the layout of many textbooks can be very overwhelming because they include many graphs and pictures or other visual material that can interfere with your ability to focus on the text you are trying to read. If you find yourself in this situation, we suggest you physically cover over all of the other distracting material in order to help you focus on the text you are working to understand. As you read through the material, make sure you have a notebook available on which you can jot down important concepts or questions you have about the material you are reading. Take note of the page numbers or underline important concepts as you read through the material. Don't worry about whether the notes are neat or clear to other people. There is no right way to organize your notes. These are your notes, and as long as they make sense to you and you can revisit them and be reminded of the textbook content, they will be a powerful tool to help you remember and focus on the course material. This is especially true if you do not have a physical textbook and most of your assigned reading is in an online format. We do suggest that you take note of the chapter and page numbers as you read along to remind yourself where you might revisit important material in your textbook when you are reviewing material to prepare for future tests and quizzes. We also suggest you take note of any material in your reading that looks familiar from previewing the end of chapter material. If you want more information on previewing your textbook chapters, see part 2 in this video series. Combining previewing and note-taking while reading the chapter provides many benefits, including better concentration, better memory for the text material, and it saves you time because it helps you determine the most important material and concepts to focus on as you read. We hope this information has been useful to you. If you want more information about reading your textbook, please take a moment to view the other videos in this series or use the information shown here or the link in the description box to connect with a tutor in the Academic Tutoring Center to discuss reading strategies or other course content questions you may have.